my channel. So I promised you guys a rose gold eyeshadow tutorial if you wanted to see it, and I decided today would be the perfect day to film that. So I decided to create this rose gold eyeshadow, or it's like a smoky eye. So it's a little bit more dramatic than what I was initially thinking, but I don't know, it just came out good. I'm happy the way that it came out, so I hope that you guys like it. I'm just gonna jump right in the video. If you guys like these sort of videos, you like tutorials, you like seeing different looks, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and follow me on Snapchat and Instagram down below. Let me know what you want to see next. I'm probably going to be doing like a testing out new products sort of video, so if there's something that you guys think I should try, please let me know down below. Anyways, let's get into the video. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So as you can see, I've already done my face makeup, and I just applied a lip gloss. I applied the Too Faced Melted Latex Liquid High Shine Lipstick, or liquefied, whatever. It's in the shade, I think Peekaboo, I want to say. I thought this would go really nice with this look today, even though I have no idea how it's going to turn out. First, I'm going to take MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot as my eye primer. Once you have that eye primer on, I'm going to take the shade Halo in my Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette, and I'm just going to set my eye with that. I'm just gonna use, it doesn't really matter what brush. I normally do like a flat, stiff brush, but it doesn't really matter as long as you kind of set the eye. And then I'm going to use the shade Dusty Rose out of the Soft Glam palette. And I'm going to take that on this Morphe M330 brush, and I'm just going to kind of dig in that color and then dust it off one time. And starting in the crease out here, the outer V crease, and I'm going to just sweep that in. I want this to kind of just be the foundation for this eye look. Just like that. And next I'm going to take the shade Cypress Umber, and I'm going to take a small pencil brush and pack that on that brush. I got a whiff of something. And tap it off quite a bit and pack it on the outer V of the eye. This is a really pretty cool toned brownish gray. So pretty, fits in with the rose toned like really nicely. Alright, so next is the fun part. I'm going to kind of cut the crease a little bit with some MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm just using like a Morphe M432 brush. It's like a flat shader, it's like a sharp edge sort of a brush. Taking some of that, and then I'm going to just apply this to my eye. And then I'm going to apply the shade Sultry right here with the lid, and then I'm going to go over it with the rose pink shade. I'm just applying this with a MAC 242 brush. This brush is and just apply it like so. You're making me stronger, making me strong. And then I'm gonna go over top of that with the rose pink shade right here, just to give it that signature rose gold eye look. Then I'm just gonna go back and take the Dusty Rose shade, which is what we started with, and dusting the top up here. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Tempera shade, Tempera, just to my brow bone and my inner corner, just to brighten it up a little bit. These shades have a decent amount of fallout, so be sure to tap off your brush. Very pigmented. I mean, they're beautiful, but yeah, there's just a lot of fallout. Very pretty. As you can see the difference, it just kind of brightens up the eye a little bit. I'm actually going to spray my brush and dip it into, actually I'm gonna dip it into rose pink and then spray my brush and then apply to over that because I just wanna give it a little bit more. So sprayed, went into rosy pink. So I'm gonna give it a little bit more of a rose effect. And if you see like a little bit of like, it's not blending as well, just get your pencil brush and blend those colors together, just so it's not like a defined difference. I've kind of gone back and forth thinking like, do I want to do a lower lash line or not? And you could really smoke this out and make it really dramatic, but today I just want to do something really, really simple, and all I'm gonna do is just take my pencil brush. I just wiped off the darker shade, the Cypress Ember. I'm just gonna take the shade Dusty Rose and smoke it out on the lower lash line. So as you can see, it just gives it a little bit more smokiness. And all I have left to do is my lashes. So I'm gonna go do my lashes and I'll come back and show you guys the finished result. Alrighty, here is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this eyeshadow tutorial. It's really a great look that you can do like going out on the town. It's honestly pretty dramatic for daytime, but I'm still gonna wear it during the day. It's a little dramatic, it just depends on your life and you know, your preference. But yeah, it's a little bit dramatic, but you can always kind of tone that down if you want to, or you can even make it a little bit more dramatic with some black and smoking out the lower lash line if you want to do something for the evening. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you guys like these sort of videos. Let me know what you want to see next down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.